2 to power square root of x equals to 4 double factorial. This problem is a lot easier than you might think. So I'm going to start from the right hand side of the equation. 4 double factorial equals to, as we know that n double factorial equals to n multiply n minus 2 multiply n minus 4 dash 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 up to 1. Therefore, 4 double factorial equals to 4 multiply 4 minus 2 multiply 1, which is equals to 4 multiply 2 multiply 1 equals to 8. Therefore, this equation simplifies to 2 to power square root of x equals to 8, which is equals to 2 to power 3. Now, as the base of exponents are same on both sides of the equation, therefore their powers can be equated. So, square root of x equals to 3. Squaring on both sides, so x equals to 9. This is our answer.